bass, I'm certain. Head shakes. Interesting. I'm seeing single, single, single. They like single, but a lot of singles. All of this full of bass here. Man, I love this old Soiree, folks. I got a camera today. I'm not making a video about it. I dropped this camera. I thought the water was clear. I cannot see anything more than a foot away. What good is a camera if you can only see a foot? Where's my net? So all of these singles are little spotted bass. Nothing surprising here. I came to do another shellcracker video, but if I am forced to live with this today, you know, I've had worse days. Good fight, very good fight. Right under the boat, folks. I mean, right under the boat. See if I can trigger one of them. Did trigger one of them right under the boat. Oi, 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 not now, not now. What is this thing? It's a little bit bigger than I thought. Ah, not with this rod. This polyester is just not. Need to switch to the other rod if I'm gonna be fishing for little bassics. Is this a little bassic? It's got something of an attitude. Get out from under the boat, bro. Come on, bro. Come over here. It's kind of slow for a bass. Maybe drum. What is this thing? Can I back the boat? See, he's sitting only under the boat. See if I can swim backwards with the boat to get him out in front of me. This was not a big fish. There was nothing big under the boat. What is this thing? Stop swimming back with me. Look, I'm swimming back. He's swimming back with me. He's just sitting under the boat. Come on. Okay, now he's in front. Let's see what this is. Big fight for nothing. For nothing. Come here, bro. What are you? Woo! Woo! Good bass. Good bass, folks. Good spot. Good spot. God bless this Soiree XR. Man, you catch one of these fish with the Presso Air AGS. He never jumped. Is the water that cold already? What a fight. Yeah. By the way, if you go and buy the old Soiree XR now, it's not gonna sound like this. It comes with a nasty carbon disc for drag by default, and it sounds zzz, 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 zzz. I replaced the carbon with felt, and I put the anti-surge grease, and only with the anti-surge grease you're gonna hear the slow clicks like ta 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 ta. Because the anti-surge grease, folks, is what slows it down. When the title says anti-surge, that's literally what it does. It does not allow it to surge to spin fast. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Slow clicks, man. Now I'm thinking, go back. I don't want to go back to the mooring, so there's nothing there. Maybe go back, start this whole bank from there and work it. Yeah, let's do that. Fish. Hey, here is our first nothing better shellcracker. That's what I came for today. Where are you guys? I've been looking for you all morning. Where are you guys? It's a small one, but he's still an 8-incher. Fish. Good bluegill. Did I find them here? There's a little bit of weeds in the water. Can I drop talon here and fish for 20 or 30 minutes? Man, they are here. I just need more than one spot, folks. When the water is low, man, here is the same problem of gut hooking these fish, folks. I'm not used to gut hooking fish with the size 10 hook. Fish. Good bluegill again, folks. They're starting to get pink instead of orange. For the winter, they get pink. Let me bump just one on the bump board. Kinda curious, folks. What am I working with here? Yeah, he's just 8 if you squeeze him and straighten him up. There's one more. Shellcracker. Not a slab though. Might not be shellcracker. I don't know. I'm catching a lot of these hybrids. Oh man, another good fish. But the problem with the deep hooking is getting serious. I don't know what to do. Switch to size 8 hook for catching bluegill and I mean, look at this. For catching bluegill and shellcracker, size 8 hook is a bit much for me, folks. If it was baby crappie, I don't mind. That's a good panfish. In the weeds in November. Who knew? Who knew? You kidding me? Right here? And there's a slab too. Man, slab bluegill right in front of the boat, folks. It's a slab hybrid. Right here. Man, these are pancakes, folks. Look at this. In the weeds. In the end, we found the same bite. It's just not there. Look at this. This is an 8-inch fish. My goodness. Is this a fish or yeah, it is a fish. I never got a bite. That's why. Smallest fish of the day. Not bluegill, but bass. These things will eat anything in sight that's not stationary. One more. My goodness. Fast bite, fast. slab, another slab of something panfish. These are slabs, folks. Come here on Tennessee River, catch something bigger than this. Look at this thing, folks. Look at this. Come on, man, this is over 8 inches. This is over 8. How you doing, brother? So?
No, nothing.
Ah, yeah, nice. Where are you from? Russia, Ukraine?
Yeah, Russia.
Russia? Говоришь по-русски?
Говорю.
Хорошо.
А ты?
Я из Болгарии.
Братушка.
Братушка, да.
Болгария. Варна, Бургас.
Correct. Fish. Man, you live and you learn as long as you live. Shellcracker. The hybrid mouth, the colors, I can tell that's a shellcracker. Might be a, I don't know, something with the shape of the body reminds me of a red breast too. But these are some gorgeous hybrids. And finally, I'm catching good panfish on Tennessee River. I always thought Tennessee River, everything here is big. Why is the panfish not big? Whoa, you scare me, bro. I gave up completely on this. My God. A ripper. These fish are rippers, folks. My gosh. I mean, these fish are... Okay, they're not world records. But, I mean, they're thick. Look. They're thick. There's some kind of hybrids that are just pissed off and ripping. Right? Look at the weeds. Right in front of the weeds here. The weeds is the secret. Victor, congratulations. You discovered hot water, brother. There's another weeds edge right over there. All the way there. That's a little too deep though for the 1.5 number 10. Maybe I'll switch to the other rod with the 1.5 tungsten. And this one is good. This crappie feels slow and steady. Don't be a crappie. Don't be a crappie. It is a crappie. It is a crappie. Maybe I should give some fish to my Russian brother. That's a keeper crappie. I need to net it. Or maybe I'll keep it here in the net for a few minutes. If I catch another one, I'll give it to my Russian brother over there. That is definitely a keeper crappie. He said he was fishing for crappie, he just can't catch nothing. And it's kind of annoying. But he was using the big nasty floats and everything, jigs. He was fishing with live minnow, can you believe it? Cannot catch a fish with live minnow. But with the Arcus jigs and the big bobbers. And that's just the wrong approach. I don't know what else to tell you. Fish. This is a very energetic, not a crappie, but not a lot of weight, a lot of fight though. Could be a nice bluegill. It is a nice bluegill. Should I give him a cup of bluegill? That is a tanker of a bluegill. Give him a cup of bluegill, folks. Just keep here a few fish. Absolute insanity of ripping bluegill, folks. These fish are ripping. These fish are ripping, and so many 8-inchers. This is definitely a fat 8-incher. Why so deep, brother? I'm tired of this. I think I'm gonna get beached here. I don't know what to do. This one is worth saving otherwise. Camera died. No blood. He will definitely make it. I'm about to gently get beached, but getting gently beached might not be a bad idea. There we go. Hey, that's heavy. Not too heavy, but could be a crappie or a bass. Come on, be a shellcracker. Be a shellcracker. I thought I was casting to bluegill. Be a shellcracker, come on. Waiting for my 12-inch slab. It could be a shellcracker. I'm telling you. It can be. The suspension, folks. It's kind of hanging down. Most likely the odds are a small bass though. Even small drum. It's hanging down. It's kind of too slow now. Too slow to be bluegill or a shellcracker. Big white something. Big white something white. Is this white bass or a crappie? Is this my first white bass? Oh no, 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 don't go here. Oh, don't go here, don't go here, don't go here. We grab the weeds. We grab the weeds with the trolling motor. We have to clean the trolling motor now. Wow, that's my first white bass. First ever white bass, folks, of the season, First white bass of the season. I've been looking for this several trips already. Cannot find them. You know what? I'll collect a few of these. I'll put them in the live well. I might give them to Mr. Ruski. If I didn't release those other fish, I would have had enough already to give them to Mr. Ruski. Yeah. Fish. Feels good. Too fast to be white bass. If it's a bluegill, it will be a tank. Oh my goodness. What is this, a red breast? Something. No, don't get tingled now. Not right. Oh, big shellcracker. Big shellcracker, folks. I'm talking big. I'm talking woo. What do you woo? No. I'm gonna keep this fish. Say what you want, but I'm gonna keep it. Give it to my Russian brother. Yeah. Look at this tank. Look at this tank, folks. Why did I let those other ones go? Look. Absolute freaking tank. Why are you all chugging it like this? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. I'm keeping it. Say what you want. I have released enough of this in my life. Let's make a little mess for the guy. He hasn't caught a single fish with minnows. Not one fish, folks. He's retired, doesn't want to work anymore. He said, I got tired of my job. Now I just don't have a lot of money, but at least I don't have to work. I totally get that. I think more and more people feel that way. Even I feel that way. I'm thinking if I retire today, folks, I can probably live frugally the rest of my life, which I don't even mind. I do not mind. But what about my kids? You don't know what's gonna happen with your kids. If they were already married and have a job, then I can retire today. I'm telling you, another freaking hybrid tank, and he ate it again. Come on, people. Come on, bro. This one has to be removed, not to save the life of the fish, but to save my jig, because the line is not strong enough to just rip it. Man, I hooked him one place. He got hooked on the second. What the? We good. Calm down. I wanted to go check for just a second the mooring cell for crappie, because I want to catch like 5 keepers to give to this guy. But now I'm seeing good size fish. Could be more hybrids. They're right here. Yeah, they're right here. Oh, feels like a bass. Come on, don't be a bass. Don't be a bass. If you're a bass, white bass, no black bass. Come on. Very steady. Maybe another white bass. No, I don't think it's a white bass. What is this? Oh my goodness. My goodness, another shellcracker tank of a fish. Just a tank of a shellcracker, folks. Come on, folks. What is this? Shellcracker in November. I'm keeping it. Ooh, my goodness me. Tank of a fish. How many fish we have so far? White bass, 2 shellcracker, 1 hybrid. Oh, now here I cannot go to the mooring cell. There we go. Another tank of a something. Something of a tank. Another shellcracker. Shellcracker, man. Shellcracker, man. My goodness me. What is going on with the shellcracker in November? Look at this freaking... Oh, that's a bluegill maybe? Is this a bluegill? I don't believe. It didn't look like a bluegill to me. It's some kind of a hybrid, but this is a tank of a something, folks. Whatever this is, that's almost 10 inches. Almost 10 inches of something. Oh my goodness. Somebody told me. If somebody told me. Folks, give me a second. I want to just check something. I want to make sure there is nothing on the mooring cell that I can keep. And I'm gonna cast with the other ray because it has a thicker line, just in case there is a bigger fish here. I don't want to fight them with the polyester. Maybe there is some fish there. Let's see if it's little bass, bluegill, or crappie fish. Yes, the feel is so spongy with this long rod, and might be bluegill actually. Might be little bass. This is a trout magnet. You can catch anything. It's a big shellcracker. They're just everywhere today. They're just everywhere. Fat one too. Look at this thing. It looks like a bluegill. Might be bluegill. I don't know. Looked like a shellcracker. Now it looks like a bluegill. I don't know, but this thing is almost 10 inches. And this guy. They're ready to play though. I love this, folks. Ready to play. There is 1 or 2 fish there left on the mooring still, but you gotta make 10 casts to run the lure in front of his nose, and then he doesn't want it anyway. Look at this gorgeous keeper bluegill. Big, fat, I mean, he was ready to play. Ready, I tell you. Got a belly. It's a gorgeous keeper bluegill. Not a trophy, but a lot of meat. There you go. One more keeper. What are you? Why don't you want to play? It's a good bluegill. It's a very good bluegill. Surprised that this fish doesn't want to play. I will keep this fish. Beautiful fat bluegill. Beautiful. We already have enough fish, folks. Fish. Any more keepers around here? It's a beautiful pancake again. My goodness me. My goodness me, look at this. It's got even the bulge here. Beautiful keeper bluegill. I don't know if we need any more, to be honest with you. There's one more. I mean, they are ripping today, folks. And that's a shellcracker. You know, this one has more meat than the bluegill, but I will let it go, because as far as shellcracker go, he's kind of small. Fish. Right here. Same thing. Shellcracker. Shellcracker in November, I'm telling you, it's a thing. We're not gonna keep this one, even though I kept bluegill same size as him. But for the shellcrackers, I do want like 8 or 9 inches. Oh wow! I just found the microphone was dead. That's okay, at least we changed the microphone for the outro. Come on, let's catch one last keeper, folks. It's almost noon, and I wanna do something else in the afternoon, at least try it. That's a good weight. Just don't be a baby bassic. If it's any kind of panfish, it is a baby bassic. Man, it looked like felt like a good size shellcracker for a moment. Come on, man. Come on, brother. You couldn't control yourself when you saw this crooked cigarette butt, could you? You couldn't control yourself, ex-smoker. Tell me the truth, brother. Is that what happened? Come here. Where are you? Yeah. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Little smolik. He's probably legal keep. But I'm not in the mood with all this panfish and white bass. Because you have to pull. Okay, here we go. Oh, he has something in his mouth. Ah, it's kind of gross, half dissolved. It's kind of gross. Wow, 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 wow. This jig head still freaking sharp. It's been a while since I caught so many fish with one jig head, folks. Oh, here we go. Come on, just for once. Don't be a little Mr. Bassic. Come on, one shellcracker. Or a white bass. Come on, please. I've been trying to end this video for 15 minutes. Maybe more. How many fish I have to catch? That last bluegill looked pretty good. This one has the weight. As long as it's not a... Oh my god, it's not. It's not. It's a tank of a shellcracker. Absolute tank of a shellcracker. I'm talking tank! I'm talking tank. You don't believe it? I'm talking tank, bro. Come here, come here, come here. Oh my goodness. What a freaking tank, folks. What a freaking tank. Come on. I don't want to lose this heroic jig head. Cannot see very good. Open your mouth. Just open your mouth. Say, ah. You have to help me. Yeah, it's bleeding now, for sure. Got it. All bloodied up. Well, this fish is not gonna make it anyway. But what a tank. Let me wash it a little bit. Oh no, if I wash it, I will lose it. Oh my god, look at this, folks. What a haul. Sorry for not fishing the new Suara XR, but this is what I used today. Absolutely dream rig. Sounds amazing, feels amazing. And this bloody lure over here, there's a little bit of tail left. Caught so many fish. Absolute hero. I will take this jig head home. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hey, if you have shellcracker in your area in November, go check your shellcracker spots. I had no idea. But thank you for watching this one, and I will see you soon. Bye bye, folks. Give me a second. I caught them just for you. I let them go usually. I fish only for pleasure. Not for meat. See? No catfish. Get your bucket. I'll give you a lot of fish. Go get your bucket. These are the best fish you ever ate. You don't have in Russia.
Oh yeah.
You
This
do.
one is nice.
They're all nice. They're all nice. This one is the most delicious. It's called shellcracker.
What kind?
Здорово.
Спасибо.
Yeah.